So, okay, part 284, C3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19d7b9i1. So if there's a 1, you know there's going to be a 2, and probably some more. So line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d19d7b9i1. Split Supersymmetry 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. So this is a Higgs particle. Split supersymmetry, keyword research on how to split fermions from the WOW data, and this is video number 4 actually, 4 in that respect, what we're looking at. So that's the previous video. There's the line of data, and it says quarks break free, fermions split. Oops, just about dropped my camera. Baryons are fermions, while the mesons are bosons, and hyperphysics.phy-astr.gsu.edu. How to split a fermion 3 in the next video. Google split supersymmetry. Quotes from Wiki. Ugh, can't talk. In particle physics, split forget. I'm having a sip of coffee. Maybe that'll wake me up. That hits the spot. Split yeah, try to say that 5,000 times fast, right? Split supersymmetry is a recent proposal for new physics beyond the standard model. This is going to be one of those days, I'll tell you. It was proposed separately. I haven't filmed in a month. Can you see why? I got marbles in my mouth. It was proposed separately in 3 papers. The first by James Wells in June 2003 in a more modest form that mildly relaxed the assumption about naturalness in the Higgs potential. In May 2004, Nima Arkani-Hamid and Savas Dimopoulos argued that naturalness in the Higgs sector may not be an accurate guide to propose new physics beyond the standard model, and argued that supersymmetry may be realized in a different fashion than preserved gauge coupling unification and has a dark matter candidate. In June 2004, Gian Gudis and Andrea Romano argued from a general point of view that if one wants gauge coupling unification and a dark matter candidate, then split supersymmetry is one amongst the few theories that exists. So you can see there's opposing. They oppose one another all the time. I find that in all of your stuff, seriously, you guys are always like fighting over who's right, who's wrong. My idea is just do it. Try your experiments and see what happens. Forget about who's right, who's wrong. Just creates tension, right? And you work better. You will work better at your results if you learn to get along better instead of saying, oh, you're wrong, you're wrong. I get people saying you're wrong to me all the time. I'm thinking, well, I don't care if I'm wrong. What I'm doing is I'm trying out something new. And when you try something new, at least you've tried. That's the bottom line. At least you tried. If it doesn't work, okay, it doesn't work. Let's try something else. Because as humans, we got to keep trying until we get it right, right? So the new light TeV particles in split supersymmetry beyond the standard model's particles are: field is G, half spin, gauge charges, and then it says gluino. These are all different names I never saw before. Then you got your W, wino, and B for bino, and HU for Higgsno, HG for Higgsno. So there's different terms there that I haven't even looked at yet, and I didn't want to take the time to look at it because this is taking me forever as it is. But maybe someday I'll turn around and look at it again, right? The Lagrangian for split supersymmetry is constrained from the existence of high energy supersymmetry. There are 5 couplings in split supersymmetry: the Higgs quartic coupling and 4 Yukawa couplings between the Higgsino, Higgs, and Gagnos. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. The couplings are set by one parameter, tan B, at the scale where the supersymmetric scalars decouple. Beneath the supersymmetry breaking scale, these 5 couplings evolve through the renormalization group equation down to the TeV scale. At a future linear collider, these couplings could be measured at the 1% level, and then renormalization group evolved up to high energies to show that the theory is supersymmetric at an exceedingly high scale. The keywords are baryons or fermions, while the mesons are bosons. Hyperphysics.phy-astr.gsu.edu. Keyword is how to split a fermion. March 17th. Today is April 21st. My thoughts, formula idea. Break down a quark's particles and chemical composition to split the quark. So I found that the keywords baryons are fermions, while the mesons are bosons. Okay, so I'm going to use that to how to split a fermion, part 4. Thanks for watching. Actually, it's part 5, but that's beyond the point.